Won't you talk to me? You're only looking at me. Don't you know you're making me crazy? You were out of my sight, there to sit by my side, stare and smile, but you're not really talking to me. I'm here in front of you. I wrote a song about you where I highlighted the lines to decode of your signs. Can you be mine? Be mine, nonchalant baby. Hold my head in mystery. Close your eyes and trust me, then slowly, gently fill my lips, kiss me. Say you'll be my nonchalant baby. My nonchalant baby. My nonchalant baby. Gently fill my lips. Can you say hi to me? Don't just like my stories. Don't you know you're all I think about lately? You know the day I gave up was the night you showed up out of the blue. Who knew I'd get to talk to you? I'm here in front of you. I wrote a song about you where I highlighted the lines to decode all the signs. Can you be mine? I'm here in front of you. I wrote a song about you. I'm here in front of you. Can I kiss you? My nonchalant baby. My nonchalant baby. My nonchalant baby.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In. You're now with your nonchalant baby. My name is Shai.
Di bagay, no? Di mo kaya panindigan? My goodness. Okay, mag-ayos tayo ha. Wait lang. Hindi rin naman nata ako OA, pero hindi ko rin kaya mag-nonchalant. But anyway, welcome fam to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In. Like I said, you're now with me. My name is Shai. And you just heard the song Nonchalant from our artist for today. Please welcome Arnold G. Hey!
Hi, hello fam.
Thank you so much. Alam mo when I heard that you were gonna come over and that you were gonna sing Nonchalant, akala ko talaga yun yung Nonchalant.
Hala, ano yun?
Ay, pinakalit yan. Wow, hindi mo alam.
Nonchalant.
Ay, sorry. Nonchalant tayo. I'm sorry, you don't know the song.
Nonchalant.
Sorry.
Nonchalant. Baby?
But yeah, that was such a fun song. And ang galing mo mag-perform, ha?
Thank you.
Yes, we're gonna hear more from you later on. We're gonna hear more of your music later on. But right now, question of the day, saan ka ba? Are you OA or nonchalant?
Yeah.
Ako na ba sasagot?
Di pa ba halata? Nonchalant ako. Ay!
So if you
Joke lang.
So aminin na po natin, mga OA po nandito.
Yeah.
Dalawa po kami mga OA po nandito ngayon. But why did you write the song Nonchalant? Who is it about kung hindi naman tungkol sa'yo?
Wow! Big question agad!
Oo, bakit?
Oo.
Sino si Nonchalant at bakit hindi ikaw yun?
No. Actually, nag-start siya for like, sabi sa akin ng manager ko, okay ka, ganon. Sabi niya, ano to, parang bagay kayo sa nonchalant. Ganyan. So sabi ko, sige ko ang akong kanta about nonchalant. As a joke lang talaga. And may dumating, nagka-crush ako sa nonchalant. Oh, grabe.
Legit pala talaga,
Oo,
okay.
so I thought na it would be fun eh, no? Paano ko to kakausapin? Manggugulo ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Uy, be my nonchalant baby. Ganon. Oo.
Pasok.
Aggressive. Kasi
Oo,
pag OA,
aggressive
di ba?
agad.
O, di ba
Oo.
kiss agad? Ganon.
Wow! Di ba
Oh,
pwede
eh.
holding hands lang muna? Pero
Oh,
sige.
sabi ko
go.
naman, hold my hand muna, di ba? Oo.
Okay. Eh, nag-kiss agad. Ganun.
Pag hold hand, kiss agad.
Yun.
Okay. Joke lang yun, guys.
Mali, guys.
Oo.
Joke lang yun,
Oo,
joke lang
bawal
yun.
yan, bawal yan. Oo.
So anyway, at least it's clear to say,
Po si Arnold G.
Oo na.
Oo eh. Tanggap ko na.
Oh, yes, guys. OA.
Na kung
Nagsulat
OA.
nga ng handay. Sinong OA gagawa? Sinong nonchalant gagawa?
diba,
nun?
ng ganung klaseng kanta. But yes, we're
Oo.
so glad to have you and your energy here. We're
Yes.
loving it. And we are so glad that you took some time to drop by Easy Rock Plugged In. But what keeps you busy?
Actually, what keeps me busy is I've been working on this song Nonchalant. And then we're actually preparing it for a launch, for a debut, for a release. So, ayun, abangan nyo sa aking...
So magkakaroon ng nonchalant.
I love that! Oh, parang pasabi sa team, kunin yun. Kausapin na siya
Ang
later.
funny ko, guys. Ang funny
Gusto
ko.
ko yung Nonchalant. OMG. Hashtag Nonchalant.
can't
by
continue.
DJ Shy.
I can't
Oo.
continue. Nahiya ako yung bitaw yung mga shocks.
Very shy talaga si DJ.
Sobrang shy talaga ni DJ Shy, no?
Oo.
Okay. Going back. So you mentioned about... you mentioned in the previously, you mentioned that, you know, your sound, you want to explore it until you eventually decided to doing the pop rock genre. What is the triggering point for this decision? But mo naisip, you know what? Ito na. Bet. Ganun.
Actually, I've been exploring different genres for my previous music. And then this new song, it just felt like home. Because I've been listening to one of my favorite artists when I was in high school. We all know Avril Lavigne, right?
Familiar.
Oo.
Like, parang for me, vintage na siya. But what... Nagsalita matanda. But okay, game. So,
So,
Avril.
and I grew up with those kinds of music. And then, syempre, as a songwriter, alam naman natin lahat. Hindi talaga ako funny, no, parang,
Kebs
actually, I love Taylor Swift. So,
Oh, okay,
diba,
okay.
parang I grew up with Taylor Swift. And then, siguro nalagyan lang ng pop rock. Because it's really home for me. Parang, it's a natural thing. Parang, di ko kailangan pilitin.
Yeah, I get that. Pero bagay rin naman eh.
Thank
You know,
you.
so if you say nga na you were exploring and then you found the pop rock genre, like, bagay rin. We hear it, bagay siya sa'yo, di ba? Pero ito talagang importanteng tanong eh. From Arnold Ray Garcia,
Ay, buong buo.
oo, syempre. Arnold Ray, paano naging Arnold G? Hey!
Started siya actually college.
Aha.
And then parang gusto ko lang hiwala yung name ko from Arnold to something else. Kasi para pag kunyari nasa mall ka, I mean, parang as an OA, pag may tumawag sa'yo Arnold, ibig sabihin parang, okay, family or high school yan.
Aha.
So, payaltan ko ng AG. So,
okay.
tinatawag ako ng mga college ko AG.
Aha.
Tapos sabi ko, i-mix ko kaya? Arnold G.
Arnold G.
Ganun lang
Ayan. So,
siya.
di ba si Arnold, di ba? Love that. Well, again, as an artist, gets rin naman talaga namin yung, you want something special with your name, di ba? We love that. Sige. So, we're getting to know more about Arnold Ray. about
Ay, si Arnold
G.
Ray.
about Arnold G even more. And this time, we're gonna know him, get to know you a lot more with our icebreaker called Fact or Fiction. So, basic lang po, you just have to tell us kung totoo ba to? Nagsisinungaling ka ba? Ay, kung totoo ba to or hindi. Ganon. Yun lang naman.
True or false ba to?
True or false, basically.
True or
Tama
false ba
yan.
to? Yes or no, ganun.
True or false, fact or fiction, Arnold G would rather stay in over the weekend than explore the outdoors. Fact or fiction?
Fiction. False.
Fiction?
Oo, wala akong jowa eh. So,
Lunch.
There's no one to stay in for.
Okay.
Wala akong mahanap sa bahay.
Lalawas tayo. Ganon.
Oo,
Okay.
ganon.
Gotcha. Fact or fiction, Arnold would rather do the first move.
Siguro pag super gusto ko, fact siya.
Yan.
Pero minsan kasi may habit akong medyo pa.
Nahihiya ako.
Palagi kasi ako nauna eh. Gusto ko naman iba mauna.
Oo,
Ganon.
lagi na lang ikaw. Baka naman pwede, ikaw naman.
Oo,
Sila naman ang
pagod ako
lalapit.
eh, oo.
Oo, pagod ka na rin, di ba?
Oo.
Fact or fiction, Arnold G would rather be in cafes over bars.
Fact siya.
Fact
Oo,
siya.
unless kalad ka rin niyo ako papuntang bar, pwede
Pak,
rin.
okay, sige, kalad ka rin talaga, ha?
Oo, sa mga tropa nating manloloko yun.
Hugot! Ang naman ka!
Oo, sila
Okay.
kakaladkad sa akin doon.
Okay, parang ang dami niyang ikukwento sa atin mamaya, no? Pero sige, next fact or fiction. Mayat maya ang install and uninstall ni Arnold G ng dating app. Fact or fiction?
Fact. Oo, actually, kaka-uninstall ko na lately. Oo, sabi ko,
Ayoko na!
oo, na-try ko ba? Pero di ako nag-push through. Kasi magagalit si manager.
Kaya naman pala.
Oo.
So, baliktad pala. Ang sayo pala is, gusto ko talaga pero
May magagalit
Manager,
eh.
eh.
Oo, may magagalit eh.
I get
Sa kanya
it.
lang kayo mag-send.
okay,
Ganon,
sige,
resume.
eto din. I love that. Send resume, BIR, ano po, certification po, tapos police clearance, NBI clearance po.
Yes,
Yun
4
lang
valid
naman.
IDs lang naman.
Yes po. O, di ba 4? Pak. Minimum ng isa sa mga ID dyan, dapat company ID. Gusto natin,
Yes, oo.
employed. This time, nag-ghost na ba si Arnold G? Fact or fiction?
Fact! It's a fact!
Sige na. Ay, nandyan po yung camera natin. Kausapin mo
Okay.
na siya. Hanapin mo na po. Manawagan na po kayo. Ayan po. Nandyan po
Ayoko
yung
siya
camera.
kausap.
Hindi naman pala eh. Okay na rin pala sa'yo na
ayoko
hindi.
siya kausap.
Yun naman. Okay na ginausap mo ako.
Ay, mali. Ayoko sila kausap.
Thank you na po. Hindi ko na po kayo kailangan kausapin. Ganon.
Oo.
Okay, gotcha. O, diba? Napaka-nonchalant namin.
Oo nga. No,
We're so chill. All right. Well, let's chill down even more with our questions about your music this time. So, you have a song, it's called Hi Hello, and it's about matching on the dating app and being stuck in cycles of hi, hello messages.
Parang may
So,
experience din
true
si
to
DJ
life ba
siya
yan
eh.
sa'yo?
Oh my God.
Or nagpapadala ba sa'yo ng poetry agad sa'yo? Ganon.
Experience siya.
Diba?
Actually, very traumatic siya. So,
Wow, okay.
I mean, like, sabi ng friend ko, mag-enjoy daw ako. So, swipe left, swipe right. Finally, may nakamatch, may nakausap. And then, umabot sa point ng meet up. Yung swipe right ko, naging swipe card.
Ay,
In a way na...
pwede ba kitang makadate? Pa-swipe rin, sige na.
Like-
Eto naman, babayaran kita.
ano siya, like, dinner. Tapos, parang, sabi niya, kasi lang ako. Ganun. Tapos, biglang, nakita ko nag-angkas na.
Wow!
Oh, so, di ako na-ghost. Na-ditch pala ako.
Na-ditch ka, hindi ka na-ghost.
Oo, tas yun,
Wow,
nagot na
that's
lang ako, sir.
insane.
Cashier card po.
Pwede-
sana masarap pagkain mo, ha?
Pwede po maghugas ng pinggan na lang. Wala po akong dala eh.
Oo, mahal pa in order niya nun.
Diba? Oh, diba? The opacity of some people.
Yeah, oo.
Alam mo, girls, guys, anybody, whatever. When you go on dates, do not make your date a free meal.
Exactly.
Grabe talaga. So many people go on dating apps just to get a free meal. Alam natin po mahirap po ang buhay ngayon. Pero wag naman to that point na magda-dating app ka, i-fish mo yung tao para lang may makakain.
Di siya fish, pero...
Hindi fish yung ulam
Na-fish ka, no?
Pero kasi, ang mahal lang in-order niya eh. Fish din.
Uy, true, fish yun. Oo. It was a salmon.
Sa salmon.
Oo.
Diba? Yung salmon, hindi mo maintindihan bakit hindi pinapronounce yung letter L.
L, oo.
But anyway, we're digressing here, growing back. So we saw the lyric of the song, of course, and it's very dating app coded. We love it. How did you come up with the creative concept for that?
Actually, I just wrote it. Parang, it just came, like parang...
Pagkatapos kang i-swipe, nung nakita mo yung bill sa,
Oo.
alam mo,
Parang after noon, balik sa sa rehearsal place, bilang gawa lang ng kanta. Tapos, kwento ko, syempre, ginawa kong joke,
Siya.
guitar, bilang, tuloy-tuloy na yung lyrics.
Galing!
Ganon, oo,
Galing!
paulit-ulit, parang gano'n. Tapos, ayun.
You know how some artists, some musicians write their lyrics in tissue paper, tapos sa'yo yung resibo. Di ba? for the
poeticness. Diba? Dapat sa resibo mo sulat
sayang,
eh.
no?
Natapon mo
Tinatago yung
na.
oo. Bad
Mali,
trip ako eh.
mali ka eh. Mali ka
Oo,
pala eh.
sayang eh.
Hindi ka pala magaling eh.
Ay,
Grabe, alright.
kaya pala
Aray.
na-ditch. Oo.
Okay, sorry po. Sinasabihan ng director ko, kalma. Ito na lang. Any advice to those who frequent dating apps?
You know it if it's for you eh. It's for you, go. Keep doing it. Pero if it's not for you, like ramdam mo na hindi ka na comfortable, stop doing it and go out there. Live.
Yun. There we go. All right. Well, thank you so much for all the OA energy. Grabe, nabitin ako. Again, sinasabihan ako ng director ko na tumigil na daw ako eh. But we love the energy. We'd love for you to come back here. Of course, I know you're going to be launching even more songs.
Yes,
so we would
please.
love for you to come back here to Easy Rock Plugged In. We can talk more about the many dates you're going to be having in the future. All the songs you're going to be writing
Parang
about them.
nasad ako sa many dates.
Hindi,
Pwede
many
isa na
dates.
lang.
Many dates, one person. Ano ba?
Okay, ayun.
Kala
Kasi
mo.
many dates, parang-
Many dates. Yung ilang beses ka nang in-invite. Tara, labas tayo ulit.
Oh.
Sige po.
Actually, recent inaya ako, di ko sinipot.
Ay, ghost. Nanggo
I
ghost.
mean, inaya ako,
Nanggo
pero
ghost.
di ako umuo. Hindi siya sinipot. Ganun.
okay.
Kaya ayain niya na lang ako uli. Please lang.
Ay, ito, sige. Another extra question lang. Kaya mo bang tanggapin ang, hey, I'm sorry it's not working out, but thank you for the date? Or,
Mas okay yun, actually.
Talaga?
Kaysa yung wala lang.
Okay, there
mas
we go.
ma-appreciate ko yun.
There we go.
Actually, I had that experience already.
oh,
Yeah,
nice,
mas okay
nice.
siya.
Oh, diba? So, there you go. And yes, guys, if you have to ditch someone, ditch or ghost someone, huwag mo na i-ghost. Talagang,
Message nyo na lang. Oh, like,
oo.
thank you, sorry. Ganun.
Thank you, sorry, bye.
Oo.
Block,
I mean,
gano'n.
when you receive something like that, parang, ano pa magagawa mo, di ba?
Oo.
Eh, di wag.
Kesa yung you're left hanging, you don't know what to do.
diba?
Ano ba? May something ba kami? O wala?
I mean,
Ano,
di lang
diba?
nag-work. Di lang kibagay. Di
There
ba?
you
Parang
go.
ganun.
All right. Well, before we get to hear Hi Hello, please do invite people to check you out on social media and where we could also check out your song.
Okay. So, this is, hi, hello, this is Arnold G, your Chinoy sassy boy na Binonda. And you can check my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Hey It's Arnold G. All my songs are available on all digital services like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube. And then I have this upcoming new music. Nasabi ko naman, narinig ko naman kanina, and ang title niya, this OA basically wrote a song for his nonchalant. It's nonchalant, chalant, baby. Ayun. So, ikaw kasi DJ siya eh. So,
Sorry,
ayun. Now, meron tayong new song and it's coming out this May. Yes, check nyo lang ang aking media. You're gonna see it. And I hope you like this upcoming new set na more music to come, not just nonchalant. And medyo dito nyo makikilala yung Arnold Z.
There you go. Well, thank you again, Arnold, for coming by. It was so much fun. Obvious naman, di ba? Medyo na-bored lang ako, but whatever. Sa lagay na to, bored pa po ako, guys.
Pwede pa extend kami. Na-board
Direct-
sa'yo, di ko tanggap.
Direct ulitin natin ang interview. Tanggalin na po natin yung live ngayon. We're gonna have you back here for sure with your next songs. But for now, we are gonna listen to Arnold G's song called Hi Hello. And once again, my name is Shai, and this has been Easy Rock Plugged In.
Hi, hello, fam! This is Arnold Z. Hi, hello. Sabi ng tropa, subukan ko na lang. Wala naman mawawala pagkasakaling ako'y sumaya. Sumunod sa payo ng isang manloloko. Ayan tuloy, ako ang natalo sa malo pa kaliwa pag gusto, palo pa kanan kay ganda mo. Nabot akong magdamag, paulit-ulit lang na hi hello. Pare, dito ang hanap ko, di ata pwede sa'kin to. Mabilisan na atrasan, walang nangahawakan. Sinimulan sa high, ngunit ako'y sumablay. Pinaramdam mo ang sagot na matamlay. Tumuloy sa gulo, napahiya lang ako. Lupakainin mo ako ang alay dito. Sa isang hello na may isang linggo. Kinilig ang loko ng tig sa morato. Sa'yo silang ako, ikay naglaho. Abay ka ako'y taya sa kinain mo. Palo pa kaliwa mo kang talo. Palo ka kanan kasi gwapo. Inabot ako Isang klaseng pag-ibig, yung hindi pinipili at ipaiwatig, na hindi ka hahayaan lang maging isang panandali. Palo, paliwa pag di gusto, palo, paanan, ahoy gwapo, inabot ako magdamag, paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit. Hi, hello, hi, hello, fam. Oh, 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 oh. Hi, hello, fam. Don't forget to follow at Hey, it's Arnold G. Palo, paliwa, pag di gusto, palo, pagkanan, kay ganda mo. Napot akong agdamag, paulit-ulit lang na hi, hello. Palo, paliwa mo ang talo, palo, pakanan, kasi gwapo. Napot akong magdamag, paulit-ulit lang na hi, hello. Paulit-ulit lang na hi, hello. Paulit-ulit lang na hi, hello, fam.